Here's the beautiful part. When you increase your protein intake to the healing threshold of at least 100 grams of protein per day, several things happen naturally. Your cravings decrease. You feel less need to snack mindlessly or binge on sugar because your body's amino acid needs are met. Your snacking becomes more purposeful, driven by true hunger rather than emotional or nutrient cravings. Your body composition shifts with more lean muscle and less fat. Muscle is metabolically active tissue that helps you burn calories even at rest. This muscle gain is key to aging gracefully, supporting strength and balance, mobility even through every decade. Most people think they get enough protein in their diets, but most do not. Most people are eating about half of the protein they really need, leading to weight gain and loss of strength every year. When adequate protein is paired with creatine, something magical happens. Let's explore the magic next in part 5. Now let's look at how creatine and protein team up for optimal results. Creatine fuels the energy your muscles and brain need to perform, whether that's lifting weights, walking, or thinking clearly. Our bodies preferentially shunt protein and creatine to our muscles, and any leftover is shunted to the brain. Do you see why we need to increase both protein and creatine in our diets? Protein provides the raw materials needed to repair, rebuild, and grow those muscles and brain chemicals. Together, they support muscle synthesis, cognitive function, metabolism, and beauty. Creatine helps your muscles work harder because they fast-track ATP or energy production, and protein helps them recover stronger. In the brain, creatine supports memory and mood. Without optimal levels of creatine in the brain, slow brain function results in brain fog, anxiety, and even depression, while protein helps create neurotransmitters that regulate your mental health. Just how do we optimize protein and creatine intake? Stay tuned next in part 6.